We're here to talk about NSK America's electric microgrinder systems for deburring, polishing, engraving, the applications that require finesse work because these are very small ergonomic tools that are very high speed. My name is Greg Natoli. I'm the Senior Product Manager for NSK America Corp. We have the EMAX Evolution and we also have the ESPERT 500. So the difference between the two basically is speed and power. These are very quiet, they're smooth, and ergonomically comfortable for continuous use. People that use them, they absolutely love them because of the quiet and comfort and speed. The Evolution is a 40,000 RPM variable speed 75 watt motor. There's 14 different attachments for the Evolution system. We have 90-degree attachments, 45-degree. We have one that uses a 1/4-inch collet, so you could use larger tools. We've got very small 90-degree spindles for doing cross-hole deburring. We have a hammer engraver. We've got an attachment that's for extended reach. There's a reciprocating polisher. This has a 0 to 6 millimeter stroke. That has a quick release lever, so you can slide the lever open. You can change your cutting tools. You can adjust the RPM by rotating the dial and moving them in increasing or decreasing RPM in 1000 RPM increments. It has a load meter built into the control unit. The controller itself is a dual port system, so you can use two motors. You have an A port and a B port. You can change your direction of your cutter from forward to reverse. We also have a feature called fixed speed. And fixed speed is great for when you're using a burr that maybe has an RPM limitation. This is a 110 volt system, so you can basically plug it in the wall and plug it out and take it to different locations. The ESPERT 500 is available two ways. It's the same controller, but we have a 50,000 RPM standard motor that's 140 watts. And then we also have a high torque motor, which is 200 watts. And there's 9 different accessories. Very similar to the ones that are used on the Evolution, except they're a little bit heavier duty. They have a little different drive system. You can adjust your speed in 1000 RPM increments, and you have the LED readout showing your RPM. In the ESPERT 500 controller, we have an A port and a B port. We can switch back and forth using the B or the A button. We have a fixed speed, so that if you want to limit the amount of RPM you're using, depending on the cutting tool or the type of deburring tool that you're using. This is a 110 volt system, so you can plug this basically in the wall, and when you're finished, unplug it, take it wherever you need to relocate it. If you're using them for a very long-term use, the ESPERT 500 is the way to go because it's just built heavier and it's got more power.
NSK microgrinders are known for the ability to use them constantly without fatigue, without them overheating, without vibration, and they're really quiet. So that makes them a highly sought after tool.